Hi guys, we're ready for Unit 4, Week 4, Day 4. And this week, what have we been talking about? Insects, and we've learned all about all different kinds of insects and how they're alike and how they're different, right? All right, we're going to go through our vocabulary words first. How are a deer and a bird different? How are a deer and a bird different? Birds can what? Fly. And what do deers have that birds don't? Antlers, right? All right. What might happen when an insect flutters its wings? If an insect flutters its wings, what might happen? It might start to fly. That's right. All right. Why do you think an insect might imitate the way a plant moves? So that it blends in, right? And so that it doesn't get ate, right? Yeah, or eaten. Great job. How does an insect's hard shell protect it? If it has a hard shell, right, it helps keep it safe and keep it alive, right, so that it can't get hurt as easy. Does a caterpillar resemble a butterfly? Why or why not? Maybe a little bit if it's a colorful caterpillar, right? Because butterflies can be colorful. Yeah. But it's also kind of different, right? Because it has lots of legs and it crawls really slow, it creeps really slow, and butterflies what? Fly around, they flutter, flutter, flutter all around. All right. Which sound is the same in all three words? High, shy, ride. High, shy, ride. I hear I in all three of those words, the long I. All right, here are our next three words. Me, be, see. Me, be, see. What's the same sound in all of those? They all have that E sound, the long E. All right, here's our next one. Cone, joke, show. Cone, joke, show. What do all three of these words have? They have the long O sound. They all say O. Right, find, bike. Right, find, bike. All three of these words have the long I sound. Made, save, pay. Made, save, pay. They have the long A sound. They all say A. Spy, light, tried. Spy, light, tried. They all have the long I sound. They say I. All right. Here's our next word. All right, we're going to be tapping out words today, right? And this week we've been focusing on long I. We have learned that it can be spelled with an I, a Y, I-G-H, I-E. All right, let's get our lion paws out and tap out some words. Here we go. Night, night. I, spy. I'd, spied. I, cry. I, dry. Sight, sight. All right, we are going to spell some words today. All right, this is a light. Let's tap it. O-I-T, light. What's my first sound? O. What says O? L. And then what says I? I-G-H. What's my last sound? T. T. Light. L-I-G-H-T. Light. All right, let's go ahead and do our next one. Our next picture is of a tie. Let's tap tie. T, I, tie. What's my first sound that we hear? T. What says t? T. Right, what's my second sound we hear? I. And for this I, we're going to spell it I-E. Tie. T-I-E. All right. What do we do with this? We spy, right? We spy. All right. Let's go ahead and tap this word out. Here we go. I, spy. What's my first sound? S. Second sound? P. P. And last sound? I. Y. All right, let's do dry. Let's tap it. Here we go. D. I. Dry. First sound is D. D. Second sound is R. And last sound is I. And we're going to spell it with a Y. Dry. All right, let's go ahead and review our sight words. And remember, we have actions, so I want you to be doing the actions today, okay? Here we go. Caught. Flew. No. Laugh. Listen and were. All right, nice job. Now we're going to read a story and we're going to compare it to one of the stories that we read yesterday. This story is about Meet the Insects. Here we go. Meet the insects. Read along with me if you can. We can find insects all around the globe. Insects can be lots of shapes, sizes, and colors. There are many insects. There are more insects than any other kind of animal. How can you tell if a bug is an insect? Read on to find out. So now we're going to find out how we know if a bug is an insect. All right, the body of an insect. All insects have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Insects have no bones. The outside of an insect's body is hard. It protects the insect's body. Most insects have antennas and wings. So if we look here, you can look at the little diagram. These are the antennas. This is the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. Abdomen, silly me. I can't talk today. Abdomen. All right, let's keep reading. Insect senses. Insects use their senses to find food. A fly smells with its antennas. It tastes with its feet. That's why flies like to land on food. Insects do not see the same as we do. Many insects have more than 2 eyes. A grasshopper has 5. I did not know that. Wow. So here's an eye, an eye, an eye, and eye, and an eye. So grasshoppers have how many eyes? 5. That's a lot of eyes. Can you imagine having 5 eyes? You'd be able to see a lot, wouldn't you? All right, let's read some fun insect facts. Some ants can lift 20 to 100 times their own weight. This ant lifts a leaf. A dragonfly can fly 22 to 30 miles an hour. Termites build big mounds. They can be up to 30 feet high. Insects are amazing. What amazing things could an ant do in this story, right? Ants can, lift 20 to 100 times their own weight, right? That's a lot, right? I think my favorite thing that I learned in this story was that grasshoppers have 5 eyes. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Yep, what else did we learn? The insects have antennas, it has a head, right? Thorax, abdomen, and how many legs? 6 legs. It has to have 6 legs to be an insect. All right, that is it today. We will see you next time. Bye.